Statewide silver alert for North Dakota.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. North Dakota at 5:19 p.m. on October 22nd, 2020, effective until 6:19 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. A silver alert is being issued at the request of Dickinson Police Department. Raymond Payne of Dickinson, North Dakota, is a 68-year-old white male. He is 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 220 pounds, and has hazel eyes. Mr. Payne's last known whereabouts were October 21st, 2020, at 11:04 a.m. Mountain Time at Dakota Community Bank in Dickinson. He is believed to be driving a 2003 white Dodge Caravan, North Dakota license plate number 254 AKB. Mr. Payne has gray hair and is balding. He was last seen wearing a dark jacket, blue jeans, dark shoes, and a light-collared undershirt. Mr. Payne has a medical condition that warrants concern for his safety if he is not located. If you have any information regarding this incident, please contact Dickinson Police Department at 701-456-7759. The above silver alert information is available to the public by calling 511 and at www.MillersvilleWX&EAS.gov/alert.